Welcome back! Nice to see you, and it is my pleasure to have you here. Today's recipe is the popular home dish steamed mushroom meat patties. Hope you like it. This steamed mushroom meat has a solid texture, a refreshing taste, and is not greasy. It is also easy to make and is suitable for eating at home on busy weekdays. Welcome to subscribe my channel and save this recipe so you may refer back when you need this recipe. Ingredients: minced meat, shiitake mushrooms, Sichuan vegetable. Wash and squeeze dry mushrooms, sliced 1 mushrooms, and chopped the remaining. We need small cubes of Sichuan vegetable. Just chopped it and set aside. Place minced meat on steam plate. Add Sichuan vegetable. Add mushrooms. Mix all ingredients together. Seasoning: 1 teaspoon oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon pepper powder, 1 teaspoon cornstarch. Mix well and flatten the surface. Place mushroom slices on top. Drizzle sesame all on top. Steam for approximately 20 minutes. Wow, steamed meat cake is done. Test with chopsticks. Meat is non-stick if it's fully cooked. Garnish with spring onion. Let's eat! This recipe is so easy to make. The meat patties are not salted because they have mustard, so the taste is just right and not too salty. You only need a little Sichuan vegetable, otherwise it will be too salty. The amount to adjust accordingly. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Do share out this delicious recipe with friends and family, yeah. By the way, If you are looking for delicious recipes, welcome to check out my recipe playlist. There are 4,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes. I will upload bilingual video recipes every day. Chinese video will be uploaded at noon, while English version at 8:30 p.m. Welcome to follow and save recipes you like. Remember to follow my channel so you will be able to find me when you need cooking inspiration. Welcome to subscribe my channel and save this recipe so you may refer back when you need this recipe. Mushrooms, which are botanically classified as fungi, are rich in health-promoting compounds such as vitamins, minerals, amino acids, fiber, and antioxidants. Studies show that regularly eating mushrooms can improve the quality of your diet, protect against heart disease, support immune health, and even extend your lifespan. Shiitake is an edible mushroom used for culinary and medicinal purposes for thousands of years. Native to East Asia, shiitake mushrooms are cultivated worldwide and are commonly enjoyed in dishes like stir-fries and soups. Shiitakes have an earthy, rich taste and a meaty texture and are an excellent source of nutrients such as choline, copper, selenium, and zinc. Shiitake mushrooms are a great choice for pregnant and breastfeeding people as they're packed with choline, a nutrient in high demand during these stages of life. Shiitake mushrooms are also rich in immune-supportive and anti-inflammatory compounds. One 2015 study that included 52 people found that daily consumption of 5 to 10 grams of dried shiitake mushrooms for 4 weeks improved immune health by increasing levels of natural killer cells, NK cells, which help protect against disease and illness, and led to reductions in inflammatory proteins like C-reactive protein CRP. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.